You probably won't have the opportunity to build a database from scratch. A lot of times in the job situations, you will be given data and asked to import it, modify it, or change it in some way. Now in this video, we're going to import a bank database. So you should see the link in the descriptions and just download it, and I'm going to suggest put it on your desktop. So I have the bank database on my desktop, and called it bank.sql, and this is what it looks like. It's what it should look like. Now go into your terminal, and just to be safe and make sure you don't get any access denied crap, go into your sudo and your you know this part, right? Okay, now go into your root, and so now we are into our root. So what we can do is, you should, if you installed everything correctly, you should be able to go straight into MariaDB. Probably don't have to use the password stuff, but you can do that if you want to. I think you'll be able to go right into your MariaDB. Okay, so first of all, before you import the database, all the, like you see here, the tables and the insert statements that you will see, you have to create the database. So let's stop that. Well, that's annoying. Every time I touch my touchpad, I breathe on my touchpad, it does something. Okay, create a database and give it a name. We'll call it bank. Oh, and if you see this, make sure you put your semicolon there. Okay, so now we go show databases, and don't forget the semicolon, and there it is, it's bank. So now when we import the data, we have to use this command first. Use the database, which is, our database is bank. So there, we're in there. Now here's the database I have. It's on the desktop, and I have actually exported this from another database. I think it was in SQL Server. So anyway, there's several ways to import a database. You can use the actual SQL file, which is the best way, and you can also import from an Excel spreadsheet, or you can import from a text document. So you may be asked to do any one of these things. But right now, in this video, we're importing from a SQL file, which was acquired from somewhere else, and I don't remember where I got this. But I used it in a class, and so it's probably some website somewhere. I didn't make this myself. Alright, so the easiest way to do this, I was frustrated. There was a bunch of ways to do this, and they never worked. So I found the best way to do this is just, you get in there and you click source. This is the word source, and then the path to your database, which to us will be home, and my username is the other file is known. We're going to our desktop, so we got to go through all this, and then desktop, and then /, and then the name of the file, which is bank.sql, and hit enter, and it's going to load up. And so if you don't know the path to your database, to your file, remember to go on the desktop and go in the terminal and hit PWD, find the path, copy it if you can't remember it, or write it down. So this file is quite big, so it's dumping all, it's what we call a data dump. It's dumping all the data into your new database. So we have a couple of errors here. I really don't have time to check these errors right now. Anyway, it looks pretty good. So let's show databases, and we have our bank database. So let's use bank. We already did this. Okay, let's. I think the show tables is the command. Show tables. Yeah. Well, there it is. There's all our tables. So let's go ahead and see if our data has been inserted. So later we will, when we learn SQL programming, you're going to learn this one. But for now, just go ahead and check out everything's in there. Select all. The star means all. And then from is another keyword in SQL. And then customer. And then don't forget that semicolon. Yeah, okay, so all of our data is in there. So if you follow this, download that file, put it on your desktop, and follow along in this video, and you should be ready to go. I think I'm not sure what I'm going to do in the next video. I think maybe we will try to show you how to import from a text file or a CVS file, CSV file, and also from a spreadsheet. Okay, thanks for watching, and make sure you look at the next video. Keep learning about how to operate a database. Thanks for watching. Close that No, I don't think I'll close the terminal. I think I'll just close the video player.